Applications of Management Information Systems MIS in Organizations by Dr. Emmanuel A. Management Information Systems MIS play a crucial role in modern organizations, empowering decision-making at all levels through efficient data management and analysis. Here are some key areas where MIS finds application. 1. Data-driven decision-making. Monitoring performance, MIS tracks key metrics across various departments, providing insights into operational efficiency, sales trends, customer satisfaction, and financial health. This data helps managers identify areas for improvement and make informed decisions. Identifying trends and patterns, MIS can analyze large data sets to uncover hidden trends and patterns that might not be readily apparent. This can help managers anticipate market shifts, optimize resource allocation, and develop proactive strategies. Supporting strategic planning, MIS facilitates the development of data-driven strategic plans by providing insights into market conditions, competitor analysis, and customer needs. 2. Operational efficiency. Automating tasks, MIS automates repetitive tasks such as data entry, reporting, and scheduling, freeing up valuable time for employees to focus on more strategic work. Streamlining workflows, MIS can integrate different systems and processes, enabling smoother information flow and collaboration across departments. Improving communication, MIS facilitates communication by providing a centralized platform for sharing information, reports, and updates. 3. Customer Relationship Management (CRM). Enhancing customer service, MIS helps track customer interactions, preferences, and service history, enabling personalized service and targeted marketing campaigns. Analyzing customer behavior, MIS can analyze customer data to understand their buying patterns and preferences, leading to improved product development and marketing strategies. Building customer loyalty, MIS helps track customer satisfaction and identify potential issues proactively, fostering stronger customer relationships. 4. Financial management. Budgeting and forecasting, MIS helps create realistic budgets and financial forecasts based on historical data and current trends. Financial reporting, MIS automates financial reporting, ensuring accuracy and timely submission of financial statements. Risk management, MIS helps identify and assess financial risks, allowing managers to take preventive measures. 5. Human resource management. Recruiting and onboarding, MIS can streamline the recruitment process and automate onboarding tasks. Performance management, MIS helps track employee performance and identify training needs. Payroll and benefits administration, MIS can automate payroll and benefits administration, reducing errors and saving time. 6. Other applications. Supply chain management, MIS can track inventory levels, optimize logistics, and improve supplier relationships. Project management, MIS can track project progress, identify risks, and allocate resources effectively. Marketing and sales, MIS can track marketing campaign performance, identify leads, and close deals more efficiently. These are just some examples of how MIS can be applied in organizations. The specific applications will vary depending on the size, industry, and needs of the organization. However, the core principle remains the same. MIS helps organizations leverage data to make better decisions, improve efficiency, and achieve their strategic goals. I hope this provides a comprehensive overview of the applications of MIS in organizations. If you have any further questions about specific applications or challenges, feel free to ask. Prepared by Dr. Emmanuel and used system-generated sound. To understand what does mean by MIS, look at the video developed on the overview of MIS. The link is under the description section of this video. Thank you.